just a pass to help Cripple. Wow. Condition even affect those with the worker. Tell me why I know the worker now. I won't do. Brother, please help me, please help on our own. Just even okay, give me water. I beg, help me. Oh, wow. So these people don't even see say I dey Cripple. People need pity Cripple again for this Nigeria. This is not good at all. Okay, I beg, help the Cripple though. Help the Cripple. Thank you. God bless you. Chairman.
Sorry, I didn't know about me, Chairman. Now he is not going to have money. What did happen? You know, since you don't even dare, they also some money. Me, since one, what's your job? Nothing.
So you did pass?
No, I know they pass. I don't put on nonsense and writing.
Hey, Chairman. Now you be the best Chairman we don't account for this.
Yes, mommy be Chairman.
No, lad.
I know other name they call me because he want money. Cripple.
Thank God you understand. If I get change, I will give you. Now, don't worry. God will
I'm hungry. I don't even know.
Before you reach us, you.
Not window maybe this.
I don't know. Bad guy. I feel like speaking in tongues for you.
Uncle, I know you.
How?
I know you are Cripple.
You won't dash me condition where I don't get.
Maybe I sit down there. For money, one go church. They pay money. What they help me? Chairman.
This guy don't go.
Are you
Only
serious?
only 200.
200 if you buy this phone?
This guy. This guy don't go low.
I'm going to work on the children. Are you high?
My 200 will be my money. You give me my money today. For where? You give me my money this time. We die here. You give me my money today. I don't say your hand strong now. For where? You go give me my money.
What is going on here? Excuse me. I'll slap you. You people are coming. What happened? Why they cry?
This one go here. You go sit down there. Do like Cripple. Collect my only 200 now. Maybe won't carry by. Now say we die here. You must give me my 200 now. Uncle, wait, me I go give you.
Hey! Wait, oh boy, wait. Come. Shebi, now you been there sit down there for money that they make money.
Now be that Cripple.
Now you.
Bros, na me. But you self, if person go work, you know they close.
No, I don't close.
Thank you very much for watching that funny Laff Nation entertainment comedy video. See you on
Mondays
and also
Fridays.
please subscribe to our YouTube channel and book us for any event with the number shown on your
Screen.
Okay.
Hey, don't forget that this month is my birth month on the 26th of April.
Happy
It's my
birthday.
birthday. MC Gelly is +1. Back